Friends, I am Abhisha Vesani and you are watching India's best news channel VIP News. Friends, do you know who files a case against God? He is Kanji Lalji Mehta. Now you can see how people express their anger. Now Kanji Mehta is coming and other religious guru is also coming. Now wait and watch. Will High Court accept the case against God? If you want to know, connected with VIP News, you feel VIP.
My lord, it's a publicity stunt, so I request please close this case.
No, my lord. My shop has been fallen down due to earthquake. Premium is paid in insurance company by me. But now they are told they are not able to pay any type of damage, which is accurate due to act of God. So I registered this case in the court against the God.
You paid premium in LIC company, so ask LIC company. Why are you asking us?
See Maharaj, I have also paid premium in your stall and I have brought a proof with me. My lord, it is a receipt of that money which is paid in stall by me.
क्या दुकान दुकान कर रहा है मूर्ख? उसे मंडप कहते हैं, मंडप.
Oh Kanjilal, beware of God. It's too much hard for you.
मैया मोरी, आपको मेरी चिंता हो रही है या मुझे चेतावनी दे रही है?
My lord, he is mad. Silent, silent.
My lord, my mother-in-law was ill. One pandit told me, if you will do puja of 11,000 rupees, she will be cured. I did this puja, but on next day, she died. I wasted my money.
My lord, objection, my lord. Court cannot accept this type of case. So according to me, we should dismiss this case.
न्यायाधीश महोदय, this insurance company has brought down, so able to pay your damage.
Now do you understand? Do you get that?
My lord, I am a middle class person. That shop was everything for me. So I request to court, please accept this case.
According to all the question and witnesses, the court is decided to accept this case and the court is dismissed and the next date of this case is 17th February.
Stop Maharaj, stop. Your God has demolished my shop. Now watch how I demolish all shop of yours.
Outside of court.
It is a government place, so you will go outside safely. But
Friends, be happy because High Court has accepted the case against God. Now question is, will Kanji Bhai get that money which is prevented due to gift of God? If you want to know, connected with VIP News, you feel VIP.
If you want money, then why don't you ask directly to God? Why do you involve all this religion guru in this matter?
My friend, tell me one thing. Which company provides electricity at your home?
Of course, Reliance.
If there is any problem, directly you call Nalin Ambani.
No, I will call electrician.
My lord, I do same thing. They all are salesmen of God. They all are connected with God every time. So all of you decide and told me which God demolished my shop.
Foolish! Shut up! Siddha Sadhu is insulted by you. You have no place even in hell.
Maharaj, there is no place because all seats reserved by you.
Nastik!
Please silent. Silent in the court.
My lord, one pandit told me, if you want to win this case, then come at the temple on Monday. I went there. I saw there is huge people standing in queue with one glass of milk. Then my turn came. I went into the temple. I saw there is only one black stone.
It's called shivling, not a black stone.
Same thing. And milk is going outside of temple. No one was there to drink milk. I went ahead. Well, milk mixed with gutter. Waste. Totally waste.
Objection, my lord. You are wasting your and court's precious time. You cannot win this case by your meaningless argument. If you want to win this case, you must bring a written proof which proves that your shop had been demolished by God.
I think she is right. Court want a proof in any case. If you have a proof, you will get your and others' money which is prevented by due to act of God. So court is dismissed for the
The High Court ordered Mr. Kanjilalji Mehta to bring a proof in writing, which is proof that the shop is demolished by God. Can Kanji Bhai bring a proof in writing? If you want to know, connected with VIP. Friends, today is the last and final date of this case, which is registered against God by Mr. Kanji Lalji Mehta. Now question is, will Kanji Bhai bring a proof in writing? If you want to know, be with VIP News. You feel VIP.
My lord, do you know when child takes birth, Pandit says Mangal ki maya hai, Sani ka saya hai. What is this? This child has just taken a birth on the earth. First let him breathe.
Objection, my lord. We are not gathered here to prove that one is right or one is wrong. Okay? Do you have any proof in writing?
Now do you understand? Do you get that?
He is very interesting item. Maharaj, do you understand about puja and all? या फिर यूं ही अंडरस्टैंड करते रहते हो? Now please come here. Who is cleverer among all of you?
I am coming.
Maharaj, tell me one thing. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is written by God.
Yes.
Everything is true in this book.
Sat Pratisat.
So why God told to the Arjun, all world is created by me, and if anything destroyed, I am and only I am responsible for it. My lord, in a Bible, in a Quran Sharif, written the same thing. So I request to God, please accept this case and give money to me and other people, which is prevented act of God.
According to all the question, answer and witnesses, the case is in favor of Kanji Lal Mehta, and they order them to give a money which is prevented due to act of God. Now case is closed.
कुछ कीजिए इस लड़की का.
At last Kanji Bhai win this case, and court ordered Mr. Religious Guru to give a money which is prevented due to act of God, and religious people decided to give a 40 crores rupees which is prevented due to act of God. Now keep watching VIP News. You feel VIP.